In this video I show you how you connect a simple outdoor shower to your camper slide. So here I have a suction cup shower mount, and it sticks to flat surfaces, so I could put it on the slider on a window, clean the window here, wet this face, put it on there. Now this will be probably too short for you, so the next thing is to swap out this hose for a little longer one. Okay, so take this off. There's typically like a rubber washer in here, so don't lose that. Same here, there's a rubber washer. So now for me it's the truth is also here. There it is. Don't forget your washer. Tighten it down. You can use tools, but hand tighten should be fine. Now connect your shower head. Same thing, don't forget your washer. Let's see. All right. Any leaks? No? Then we're good. If so, you could put some Teflon tape or use wrenches, some tools to connect it. So I put this in. Actually, I have the wrong mount here. I need to have a little different mount. Unfortunately, that doesn't work for me, but you know, for demonstration purposes, you can see. Woo! It works. The connection pipe to camper, I'm gonna do with those suction cups here. You get them at Harbor Freight. I don't know, $2-3. So clean your surface, make sure they're clean. Maybe wet them a little bit. Pop them on, engage, and you have a pretty sturdy hold here. It's pretty sturdy mount. And I'm gonna connect these. I'll show you how I'm gonna connect these with the piping. So the idea is to put 2 slots in here on either side for the full length, so up to here, and make it snug so it just fits tight. So do the same on the exact other side. And for that I use my Dremel tool, put a cutter on it and just cut through the material. All right, so the other mount will be done on this end of the slide. So I will mount the same suction cup here. Oops. Engage it, and then I cut a slot like this. So what I'm going to do is I will mount it in here like so. So most shower curtains are somewhere between 72 and I think 75 inches. The maximum I can go with my setup here to use the glass here as my suction area is like 76. So the highest is 76, and this is where I will cut my support lag now to 76 inches, and then I will put it all together. So I put an end cap on my support lag so it doesn't get super dirty if I put it on the ground. Then I put this 3-way connector on my one pipe that I will connect here and there. And now I'll take this leg and connect it here. So, and the next step will be to take this guy, connect it here, and as you can see, it already fits, but not really, so I need to measure and cut it to length, and then we'll put it together again. So this is the basic frame. Now we'll hang the curtains on, and then you have a pretty nice shower. It's pretty roomy in here. So we put the curtains up, and that's pretty much it. So on a windy day it would be nice to fasten the ends. So what we did here is we snapped the clothespin right here. We put, if you go inside, now we wrapped it around here, put a clothespin right there, put a clothespin here to connect these two. And on a windy day, you know, if the wind is blowing in here, I put some stakes in here, so you know the curtain doesn't come get you. But it's kind of a nice to have thing. Last but not least, don't forget to use biodegradable soap, because you know your water goes directly onto the ground, into the environment, and we don't want to, you know, harm the environment. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button. I would love to see some comments or suggestions how to improve this in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you soon. My first improvement is to use a bottle holder stake, you know, the ones you use for cornhole. It's super cool to, you know, just push it into the ground and put your soap in there.